My name is Abdul Hamid Sayam from the Arabic daily Al-Quds Al-Arabi. I have many questions, but Maryam ordered us to confine our...
So
I cannot. And my question about internal issues in Pakistan. Recently, there was an attempt to murder Imran Khan. It seems that he is still popular. There are many people supporting him. When he calls for a rally, he receives hundreds of thousands of people. So how do you explain what happened? Who was behind it? What does the investigation say about the attempt?
I think there's two parts of your investigation. As far as the attack on Mr. Khan is concerned, I would like to once again emphasize to the Punjab government in Pakistan that it's incredibly important. This is not just an attack on Mr. Imran Khan. This is an attack on a former prime minister. It's not about political differences. We want to see the facts. And there's an investigation on the provincial level ongoing that needs to show results. On the federal level, the prime minister has written to our superior judiciary